Hello everyone, today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the Cobra Smart Dual View front and rear dashcam. This innovative dashcam promises a suite of features, designed to enhance your driving safety and convenience. Let's explore what makes this dashcam a standout choice for 2024. Before that, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Design and build quality. The Cobra SC250 boasts a sleek and modern design, seamlessly integrating with your vehicle's interior. The front camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens, capturing a broad view of the road ahead, while the rear camera ensures full coverage, providing a clear view of what's behind you. Its robust construction is built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring reliability and durability over time. Video quality. One of the standout features of the SC250 is its true 4K resolution, delivering crystal-clear video quality. Whether it's a bright sunny day or a dark night drive, the high-definition footage is incredibly detailed, capturing every moment with remarkable clarity. The dual-view setup ensures you get comprehensive coverage, with the front camera recording at 4K and the rear camera at 1080p, providing a complete picture of your journey. Advanced features. 360 alerts. This feature keeps you aware of your surroundings, alerting you to potential hazards and other vehicles in your blind spots, enhancing your overall safety on the road. Parking live view. The SC250's parking mode allows you to monitor your vehicle's surroundings even when you're not inside. You can view the live feed from your dashcam on your smartphone, giving you peace of mind about your car's safety. Incident reports and emergency Mayday. In the event of an accident, the dashcam automatically generates incident reports, detailing the time, location, and nature of the incident. The emergency Mayday feature ensures immediate assistance is on the way by automatically sending an alert to your emergency contacts. Smart integration. The SC250 seamlessly integrates with both CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access the camera's features directly from your smartphone. This integration ensures that you can control and view the dashcam's feed without distraction, keeping your focus on the road. Ease of use. Setting up the Cobra SC250 is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive interface and straightforward installation process. The included 32GB SD card ensures you have ample storage space for your recordings right out of the box. The user-friendly app makes it easy to review footage, adjust settings, and manage incident reports directly from your phone. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Cobra Smart Dual View front and rear dashcam SC250 is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and security. With its true 4K resolution, advanced features like 360 alerts and parking live view, and seamless integration with CarPlay and Android Auto, it offers unparalleled convenience and peace of mind. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this dashcam is designed to keep you and your vehicle protected at all times.